Welcome back to Algebra 2, guys. Today we're talking about Lesson 2-3, Example 3, and that's how to interpret an equation in slope-intercept form. Remember, slope-intercept is y equals mx plus b. So today we're talking about shoes, specifically Europe or shoe sales in Europe. So the problem is, it says the equation 3,246x minus 2y is equal to negative 152,722 can be used to estimate shoe sales in Europe from 2010 to 2015, where X is the number of years after 2010 and Y is the revenue in millions of dollars. So we got a few good things, important things. We know that it's from 2010 to 2015. Whoa. We also know that X is the number of years after 2010, and Y is how much money they're making. Revenue is money that they're making. So like profit. So the first thing that we want to do is when we look at this, this is not written in standard form. This is written in, this is written in standard form. We want it to be in slope-intercept form, excuse me. So the first thing that we want to do is when we get this, I want to hide that guy. We're going to go down to part A. It says write the equation in slope-intercept form. First thing that we want to do is get this 3,246x to the other side of the equation. So we're going to do that by subtraction. So we're going to subtract this to the left side, or from the left to the right side of the equation. So we're going to be left with negative 2y is equal to negative 3,246x minus 152,722. And since we're not quite solved for y, we have that negative 2y. We want one positive y. We're going to divide each side by negative 2. So we're going to get y is equal to 1,623x plus 76,361. So after that, now we're interpreting what this actually means. Let me move myself. So the parameter 1,623 represents the rate at which the sales increase each year. Thus, the sales increase by $1,623 million each year. That's the revenue, right? The parameter 76,361 represents the sales in year 0. So that's how much they made in year 0. Thus, because X represents the number of years after 2010, remember that from the beginning of the problem, sales were 76,361 million in 2010. Which kind of sounds a little funky. That's the same as $7.6 billion. They're both correct. We're ready to rock and roll. Thank you, guys. See you next time.